Okay, on this slide, me, Acha, and Vidya will explain how to implement them. At this stage of implementation, we compiled a plan to organize hoax prevention, socialization, and introduction and application that we made, which is an application that contains real news that uploads the truth to the whole community, especially social media users so that the public can easily use social media and can find out and filter news, hoax, and real news. The budget we allocated was less than 10 million, and the location used was the village office. This this event will also be promote through posters and social media to attract participants. The implementation plan was only prepared once in a socialization. Hope in the future, if the socialization program and introduction of this application run successfully, then routine socialization will be carried out to further spread and positive attitude to the community regarding the importance of hoax prevention. Next,
Okay.
Acha will
Um,
explain.
okay. Thank you, Brother Sabri. Now we are going to the Gantt chart. What is Gantt chart? Gantt chart is the table that's formed for locations and times that the activities is happen. First, there is activities for forming commit and in this filing needs is for 2 weeks, the second week, and for volunteer recruitment is on 3 weeks, and making and submitting proposal is on third and fourth weeks. Surveying and determining the location of socialization, we do it on the third week. Licensing on third week to material preparations on third and fourth week. Designing and printing of banners or posters on the fourth week. And we can see for the survey publication, survey consumptions, and implementation is we are doing on the end of week, like on the fourth and the fifth week. And for evaluating, we do the evaluating is every second week, fourth week, and on the fifth week. Now it's going to deployment chart. What is deployment chart? Deployment chart is uh, divided duty that doing by planning divisions, consumption division, logistic division, and the volunteer. For forming a commit and defining needs is the duty of planning divisions. And division team selection, volunteer recruitment, making and submitment, even proposal, survey and defining the location socializations is the duty of planning and logistic division. For the licensing, material preparation, publication, survey and order consumption, and also evaluating is going by planning divisions. And like the others data, you can see yourself on the table that our group has made. Thank you. Next for Sister Widya.
Budgeting. Here, I will explain about the budget that will be need. Rent applies to socialists. Total 5 hours. Price per unit 440,000. Total price 440,000. Description: chair and sound system rental. Media logistic. Social media total 7. Cost per unit. Price per unit 14,000. Total price 98,000. Description: Facebook. Poster total 100. Each per unit. Price per unit 3,000. total price 3,100, description A4 and poster, backdrop, total 15 meter per unit, price per unit 20,000, total price 3,100, 3,100, description flexi and size, consumption commit, total 11 box per unit, price per unit 25,000, total price 275,000, description box size, participant total 120 box per unit, price per unit 10,000, total price 1,200,000. Description mineral water and snack. Police. Total 2 box per unit, price per unit 25,000, total price 50,000, description box size, security. Police. Total 2 day, price per unit 400,000, total price 800,000, description 2 people in 1 day. Participant is certificate. Total 120 seats per unit, price per unit 5,000, total price 600,000. Total will be 120 seats per unit, price per unit 500, total price 60,000, description event activities. Budget cost total 1 day, price per unit 350,000, total 350,000, total 5,030,000.
Okay, right now I want to explain about prototype of the implementation. First, participants come prepare for socialization and introduction implementation. After that, participants in the registration and distribution food. After that, participants are directed to the room, and participants get application, socialization, and introduction. And last, socialization and introduction of application completed. Okay.
After implementation, Danny will explain Chapter 5 evaluation.
Chapter 5. Chapter 5 is evaluations. Evaluation is important to get whether the goals have been agreed and whether there are things that can be improved should be a better solutions. Evaluation is a process that lasts throughout the project and the end of each stage of the project. An evaluation of the objective and evaluation must be carried out at the stage. Before going to the next stage, and evaluations of the assumptions taken must also be carried out. to ascertain whether the solution chosen is correct. Of all the solutions offered, we choose one solution that we thought was solution is good. Namely, solution is the holding of socializations event. Evaluation is divided into several stages. First, pre-evaluations. Evaluation are carried out at the beginning of the project. An example is the evaluation of project planning. 2. Formative evaluations. Evaluation is carried out in the middle of the project. The goal is to get directions and direction whether the project is going according to plan. If there are things that are not in accordance with what has been planned, then improvement must be made. 3. Summative evaluations. Evaluations are carried out at the end of the project or after the project is complete. The aim is to assess the success of a project. However, besides going through the 3 stages, there is also a way to produce an evaluation that is good using the build and test method. This method is used to find out feedback about the solution choose. Okay. First step is solutions and implementations in the form of a prototype, tangible, intangibles. First, participants coming to the events. The second, participant registrations and distribution of food in the table registrations. Third, participant directed into workrooms. Then participant get socialization and introduction to applications in a classroom or room meeting to action socializations. And the last, socialization and introduction of application completes the end. Yang 2, tell your solutions. Nah, at this stage, you can use the build table and test method. And this method is for stage. Stage 1 is point positive. What is worked? First, society learning culture of waiting in the lines. 2. Society will not feel bored because there are many friends to talk. Stage 2 is point negative. What could be improved is one corrections. Service are not optimal. Third, stage 3 is questions. Questions 1. Are there way other than this alternative? Question 2. Can the service be accelerated? Next, stage 4. Stage 4 is ideas. Ideas is can use more sophisticated features such as can be accessed via cell phone. So, After getting answer from the community or public, we can conclude that they will also save and slowly realize the ideas of the people who have been channeled. Thank you.
That's it from us. Group 2, I hope our presentation can help prevent the spread of hoax news. Thanks for your nice attention, and I hope you enjoy our presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.